In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a Aweber email workflow. To begin, log into your Aweber account and look at the main navigation. Find Automations, then select Workflow. This is where you build automated email sequences that run in the background while you focus on other parts of your business. Next, click Create Workflow. Aweber will give you a choice right away. You can start with a template or choose a blank workflow. Templates are helpful when you want a fast setup with a proven structure, while a blank workflow is best when you want full control. Choose the option that matches your goal. Now, enter a clear workflow name and click Create. Use a name that tells you exactly what this automation does, such as a welcome series or a follow-up sequence. This makes it easier to manage later, especially if you create multiple workflows. Once your workflow is created, you will choose a trigger. Select on subscription if you want the workflow to start the moment someone joins your list. Select Tag Applied if you want the workflow to start only when a specific tag is added to a subscriber, which is useful for targeting people based on actions or interests. After your trigger is set, you will build the sequence on the canvas. Drag the send message action into the workflow area. This action is what delivers your email to the subscriber. Then click Create a message to write your email. Take a moment to make your message clear and relevant to the trigger you selected. A welcome email, for example, should set expectations and provide immediate value. When you are done writing, save your message so it is available in the workflow. To control spacing between emails, drag wait actions between messages. This is where you decide the timing, such as waiting a day or a few hours before the next email is sent. Consistent timing helps subscribers stay engaged without feeling overwhelmed. When everything looks correct, click Save and Exit. Finally, click Activate to start the campaign. Activation is what turns your workflow on, so new subscribers or tagged contacts can begin moving through it automatically. That covers everything you need to know.